guys, LocsNLoadFirearms here. I got a real quick video. Today I got a Sof-T wide tourniquet. I got a couple of these and I got 3 cat T tourniquets coming in. These are knockoffs, but they can still be used for the real thing. I really got these for training applications really only. But if you absolutely needed to, this would still work. But this is the Sof-T wide tourniquet. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to put this on. So when you get it, it comes in latched together like this. So the first thing you want to do is take the buckle out of the latch so it opens up, and this is on the string, so you can adjust. You want to adjust it out. Take your leg, go up as high as you can on the extremity, whether it be the leg or the arm. With your buckle, clip it in the latch where it was originally in. You want to take it, ratchet it down, get it nice and tight, and then you have a metal rod. And what you would do with this rod that's attached to the cloth on here, you want to take it and then start to twist it. And what that twisting does is start to compress this Sof-T tourniquet around your leg or your arm. You get that blood vessel to compress against the bone to stop the bleeding. So you take it, you twist it. Not gonna do it too tight, but you know, of course, if it's a real patient, you want to twist it all the way down until the bleeding stops or it slows down if you can. So once you got it tightened to the point where, hey, I got it tight, the blood stops flowing out, and I want to lock it in place, they got this little triangle loop over here to where you slip it over, and they got this little cutout on your rod for the Sof-T that you slip your loop in, and then it locks into place, and then it's in there and it's not going to move or loses tension on the extremity. And so this is how it's supposed to look, and this is how you put on the Sof-T wide tourniquet. It's real quick, real simple, effective. It's one of the 2 tourniquets that's most recommended and is combat proven, just like the cat T. I prefer the cat T. These are great for use on other people, where if I was gonna tourniquet you. For one-handed use, this is a little tricky. The cat T is definitely a lot easier for one-handed use than the Sof-T or the rat's tourniquet. But this is the Sof-T, another recommended tourniquet that I think you guys should have in your inventory, and is usually cheaper than the cat T, at least depending on where you go. And again, it works fine. Recommended, used by military, so it's got a decent track record. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you have the chance, go out and buy either a Sof-T tourniquet or a cat T tourniquet. Hell, I wouldn't even care if you guys went out and got yourself a rat tourniquet. At least have some kind of tourniquet on you to help when situations go left. No, out here in Jacksonville, we had the shooting at the Madden Stadium. I mean, not stadium, gaming room, this weekend. So one of these possibly could have saved someone's life or been very beneficial to have in that situation. But don't want to keep you too long. Sof-T wide tourniquet, LocsNLoadFirearms views. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell so you know when I drop a video, even though I'm not going to put anything up here. But be safe. LocsNLoad out.